In today's business world, detailed and accessible information is power. Many organizations find themselves overwhelmed by the amount of data they handle, unsure how to leverage it effectively. Our mission is to show you how Microsoft Dynamics 365 specialized reports can provide deep, actionable insights, empowering you to make strategic decisions with confidence. All of this is powered by Optimus PABS, built on Microsoft Dynamics 365. Join us on this journey through Dynamics 365's most powerful reports. We begin by logging into the Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. We navigate to the Dashboards option in the main menu. Here we focus on two crucial reports. CRM Projects. Insights. This report offers a detailed view of your projects. Notice how the charts display progress, allocated resources, and achieved milestones. Now let's click to expand the report. Understand the performance of your geographically distributed teams, including how many resources are assigned, and measure project efficiency by tracking billable and non-billable hours incurred. Do you see those additional tabs at the top? Each contains more specific information. For instance, this tab shows the project's financial performance, while this other one details resource utilization. CRM Customer Service Insights. This report focuses on customer service. Observe how the graphs illustrate response times, customer satisfaction, and case trends. The additional tabs here are pure gold. This one shows a breakdown by agent, allowing you to identify your customer service stars. And this other one offers sentiment analysis of customer interactions. It's important to highlight that each of these reports has multiple tabs with additional information. Clicking on each tab unfolds a new set of data and charts, providing an even deeper insight into each area. With these specialized reports, you now have the power to dive into the details of your projects and customer service like never before, uncover hidden trends and patterns in your data, make informed decisions based on multidimensional analyses, improve your project efficiency and customer satisfaction. Microsoft Dynamics 365 doesn't just organize your data, it transforms it into a source of strategic knowledge. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business information?